I think that, do you not agree?
Yeah, I agree.
She was paddling, man.
I agree. She's showing her ignorance. And yeah, I mean, there's black Jews.
Ukraine will continue to avoid what he's called negative scenarios, including war. Manchester United footballer Mason Green.
Passports, pioneers, hot air,
The mood there is very, very angry. I don't know how many letters have gone in, but I'm assuming that based on yesterday, more will have gone in.
Don't worry.
Fuck off. Put your fucking foot down. Ace. You just went through a red light, pal. Fuck off. That's not how the new fucking rules work.
In Debenhams anyway. It's not my kind of thing.
They've closed a fair few, aren't they?
They've closed all of Debenhams. They're closed.
Oh yeah, they did, didn't they? They did a few at first. Yeah, you're right.
And
BBC Radio 1.
What fucking is it? Is my car suddenly become fucking invisible? I can spell that one correct. It's a fucking shed load of shit. Wanker! Fucking wanker! What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, red lights do apply to cyclists as well, don't they? Fuck off! Fucking hell, I just fucking hate Bolton drivers. Oh dear, taking out a lamppost, eh? Fuck! No indicator, you fucking twat!
Not worse as well, because you know he's doing it in front of his own kids, and they're joining in.
Well, cruelty to animals is illegal. It's the police matter, surely.
Well, you would have thought so. The police say it's nothing to do with us. It's all
Wanker in the
to do with the RSPCA. We contacted the RSPCA. They said, "Oh, it's always good to have these things highlighted."
But it's still a valid form of protest. The truckers want to say something.
Yeah.
You say it, and I think that a week ago on Monday, the Prime Minister crossed over the line.
The government, Mr. Christophe, speaking on Brexit.
Usually a blend of things like Marsanne, Roussanne, Viognier. This is it by itself in the south of France.
Wow.
Turn left towards Parsons.
That was my fucking right of way, you cunt!
My body and rub your fingers through my head.
Fucking wanker. It's all the dickheads getting under the Red Cross. Hey, take a look over the other side at a truck that's on its route. How can that even be fucking safe? Is he gonna pull in? I didn't bother pulling in. What a wanker.
Exit the roundabout onto A303. Continue for 29 miles.
Fuck off! Wanker! And he's gone through a red light. What the fuck are you doing? Fuck off! Fucking hell. I'm gonna go for it. Yay! Nice fucking one, wanker. Fuck off. Absolute prick.
Come on.
And you're doing what?
Unfortunately, is where the civilian casualties come from. We've seen 800,000 civilians killed in the war in Syria, and you know,
Should have used the fucking bus lane. It isn't a bus lane, shouldn't you, you twat?